Welcome to a Pivotal lecture in our confidence journey. Today we're moving from theory to action with a deep dive into your current confidence landscape. Get ready to discover your strengths and identify those areas where a confidence boost would make a big difference in your whole life. Confidence can be generalized. First, let's just bust this myth. There is no such thing as a universally confident person. We all together have a mix of areas where we feel rock solid and situations that make us shrink a little. Think of a charismatic speaker who might get flustered dealing with complex paperwork, or a brilliant writer who dreads social events. This is absolutely normal for all of us. The confidence audit. So, how do we map out our unique picture of confidence? Let's use a two-pronged approach. General confidence inventory. Start by asking yourself, on a scale from 1 to 10, with 10 being meaning that I could conquer the world confidence, where would I place my overall level of self-belief? There is no right or wrong answer. This is simply your baseline of foundation. Situational confidence. Next, we get specific. Think about key areas of life such as career and finances, social interactions, relationships, health and well-being, hobbies and skills. Within each area, jot down situations that evoke a strong sense of confidence and scenarios that leave you doubting your own existence. For example, under social interactions, perhaps you feel at ease chatting one-on-one, but clam up in group settings. Digging deeper, the origins of confidence or lack thereof. As you do this exercise, pay attention not just to what makes you nervous, but why does it make you nervous? Do your fears stem from a lack of skill, past negative experience, a tendency to compare yourself to others? Let's say public speaking terrifies you. Is it mostly that you need more practice with presentation skills? Or perhaps in school you gave a talk once that went badly and it scared you? Understanding the root cause is key to addressing it effectively. Let's talk about the power of naming it. Sometimes just bringing these feelings into conscious awareness is a major step. You might realize, oh, I'm not universally terrible at social stuff. It's specifically these large group settings that make me anxious. That clarity in itself can be empowering for you.